Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily record a vendor refund in QuickBooks Online. So just head over to qbo.intuit.com and from here, just make sure that you're logged into your account. Next, in the left panel, just click on the new button. Then under the vendor section, just click on vendor's credit. You will then be redirected to the vendor credit page, and all you have to do is choose the vendor. Also fill in the other necessary details such as the mailing address, payment date, and in the category details section, just choose the category. And also most importantly is fill in the amount. Then once done, just click on save and close. Next, back to the QuickBooks homepage. In the left panel, once again, click on the new button. Then under the other section, just click on bank deposit. And from here, we're going to start by choosing an account. We're just going to choose our bank account to receive the deposit. Also enter in the date. We're just going to choose the date today. And also in the add funds to this deposit, starting from the receipt from, just choose the same account you chose earlier on the vendor's credit page. And in the account section, just choose accounts payable. You can also add a payment method. Say, for example, we're going to receive it via check. And in the amount section, make sure that you enter the same amount that you entered earlier on the vendor's credit. Also add in the tax if it's applicable. Then once done, just click on save and close. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!